Hey guys, welcome back. So, quick meme review. I think I forgot to do one yesterday, so I'll give you two today. Here's our meme review for, it should say April 2nd. So I screwed up in a couple ways, so here we go. All right, so this one comes to us from Maddie Fisher. Mr. Costanzo, when the class packs up before he hands out the DBQ, it's time to stop. Now, I don't get the reference. I should have looked it up, but I kind of like not knowing what the reference is. So you got this guy with these glasses that are well undersized. He's got a clock that would make Flava Flav proud. It's time to stop. I do love DBQs, and I don't like when people pack up before the end of class. I've never gotten that. I've got 42 minutes. I'm going to use every minute I've got. And I hate when people try and steal them from me. You're wasting my flavor. All right, so 10 out of 10. This one's awesome. Love it. 2 fats, 1 lit. Let's go to the next one. Now, this one actually comes from a former student, Katie Nisbet, who was a great AP student. Now, this one, you kind of have to know me to get it. So, when Costanzo turns off the comments so you can't tell him how much you hate Coolidge. Now, I love Calvin Coolidge. You know, I even have a poster of him up in the room. And I did turn off comments because the first video I posted, some people in my period 6 class thought it was funny to leave a bunch of nonsensical comments below. So, I don't know who that would be. Jude. All right. So, this one's pretty awesome. And as you'll find out next year, people are taking AP. I love Calvin Coolidge. Love Calvin Coolidge. So, 2 10s, 3 lits, 1 fat. Have a good day.